Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today as well, I am here to continue reported speech. So today I'll be teaching you that how to change direct speech into indirect speech of exclamatory sentences. Fine. At first, I would like to remind you that what is an exclamatory sentence? Sentence that shows surprise. When it is a feeling of pain, it is a feeling of sorrow, happiness, joy, surprise, and applause. So these are the things. Now let us continue. As per the field, suppose the sentence of reported speech shows happiness. Then in place of said or said to, we will use exclaimed with joy. Suppose the sentence of reported speech gives a feeling of sadness. That means exclaimed with sorrow. So like this, said or said to going to be changed into exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, applauded, and many more things. And at the time of removal, comma, inverted comma, we have to use conjunction that, and after that we'll have to use simple sentence. So my dear students, with the help of example I'll be making you understand. So please just have a look. यहाँ देख लीजिए आप एक बार. Said or said to changes into exclaimed with sorrow. It is as per the sense, as per the feeling. Exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, applauded, and at the time of removal of comma, inverted comma, we'll have to use conjunction that, and then simple sentence. Please just have a look. Now let us move ahead. I hope you must have understood it. Now I just make you understand by having some example. He said, commas begin, alas, I am ruined. R-U-I-N-E-D. Full stop, inverted comma close. So my dear students, you can see in reported speech, it is a exclamatory sentence. This mark shows that it is an exclamatory sentence. So, alas, it shows sadness, it shows sorrow. Then he exclaimed. He exclaimed with sorrow. He exclaimed with sorrow that he was ruined. R-U-I-N-E. So my dear students, as per the rules, I have followed all the rules while changing into indirect speech. Right? So look at the reported speech. Here is a word that is alas. That means that is showing sadness, right? And I have got to be changed according to he, right? And while changing into indirect speech, is MR become was word. So the same thing I did it here. He exclaimed with sorrow. देखो यहाँ पर हमने said के प्लेस पर exclaimed with sorrow, क्योंकि ये जो हमारा वर्ड है alas, that shows sadness, that shows sorrow. He exclaimed with sorrow that he was ruined. उसने एक दुख का भाव रखते हुए कहा कि वो बर्बाद हो गया था. He was ruined. Now let us move ahead, my dear students. My friend said, Thomas begin, hooray, H-U-R-R-A-H. I have secured I have secured 95% in exams. Please just once again have a look of the sentence of reported speech. This time here comes a word that is hooray, that shows happiness, that shows delight, that shows joy. So now let's change this into indirect speech. My friend exclaimed with joy. My friend exclaimed with joy that he had secured SECURE. He had secured 95% in exams. Please have a look once again. Please just see the sentence of reported speech. This time here comes hooray, that shows happiness, that shows delight. So as per the rules, my friend exclaimed with joy. मेरे दोस्त ने खुशी मनाते हुए कहा that he had secured 95% exam, कि उसने प्राप्त कर लिए थे 95% in exams. I hope you understand. Now let us move ahead. The officer, OFFICER, the officer said, Thomas begin, well done. You have done a good job. You have done a good job. Right? So, well done. That shows, admiration. Right? So, now indirect speech. The officer applauded. The officer applauded uploaded that, यहाँ पर हम अपनी तरफ से ऐड कर सकते हैं the officer uploaded his soldier, SOLDIER। बेटा ये चीज हमने अपनी तरफ से ऐड कर ली। The officer uploaded his soldier that। कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ नहीं होता है, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर सेंस, राइट, वी मे यूज, राइट, द ऑफिसर अपलोडेड हिज सोल्जर दैट he had done a good job। So please say it very carefully। Again I tell you, कभी कभी ऑब्जेक्ट दिया हुआ नहीं होता रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में, so according to sense we'll have to make a sense, according to us we can use। So the officer said, well done, you have done a good job। The officer uploaded his soldier, कि ऑफिसर ने अपने सैनिक की सराहना करते हुए कहा, उसकी तारीफ की, that he had done a good job, right? So that's enough, and today I have taught you that how to change the reported speech into indirect speech of exclamatory sentences। I hope you must have understood। Thank you very much।